Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the Ipsy February unboxing. We've got the Ipsy Glambag, we've got the Boxy Charm by Ipsy, and iconic Icon Box. So if you guys want to know what I got in each of these boxes, plus there's going to be a giveaway at the end of this video, so keep on watching. As you guys know, I am part of the Ipsy Incubator program and they send me all these products. So first and foremost, I want to say thank you so much to Ipsy for sending me all these goodies. I can't ask for more. And this month in February, guys, they did an amazing job at curating their boxes. The stuff in here are amazing. Like, I'm super excited for. So let's start with the Ipsy Glambag. The Ipsy Glambag is $14 a month. It contains 5 deluxe items. Actually, usually one of them is a full-size item, so I cannot wait. Let's start with this beautiful, it's kind of like a very textured, giving like floral vibes Valentine bag. And I love the black trim. There's a little black ribbon there on the tassel or the zipper. And I love that the bag is kind of like lime green. It has a lime green lining. There's 3 little items in here. The first one is the body lotion, Wild Floral or Flower Field. This is by Memoir. Love that. Let's see how it smells. I love them in my purse. It's a very mild scent, a little bit of a sweet scent, but it's not overpowering. Next item is by Rare Beauty. This one just made me scream. This is the Mascara Volume Universal Mascara in black, I guess. This is my first time seeing the Rare Beauty mascara packaging. That's what it looks like. And I can tell this brush is going to be very volumizing. You know what? Let's see how this works. I'm keeping this because I've never tried the mascara from Rare Beauty before. And as you guys know, Rare Beauty is Selena Gomez's brand. So I'm always excited to get this because her makeup line is pretty much like dewy, radiant finishes and just like your skin but better kind of makeup. And let's see if this is going to volumize my lashes more. Look at that. This one versus this eye. You can tell the difference for sure. So the next item is by Ace Beauty. This is a face primer. Very nice. I love Ace Beauty. I have their contour. I think it's the contour palette, and it's amazing. It's like the perfect contour for my face. I've used it so many times, which reminds me I need to use it again. There's also a brush, which is beautiful right here. Nice, kind of either like a brush for the under eyes to set your concealer, or maybe a highlighter brush. I love the Ipsy Glam bags. They usually come with a brush, so we're always stocked up on brushes. And then the last one is another good one, the Wander Beauty Gold Eyes Baggage Claim Mask. I'm gonna be traveling sometime soon, and so I'm excited for this. And it's a set of 2, which is a good amount. Ooh, I cannot wait to try this. That is the Ipsy Glambag. The theme for this month is all about self-love. Next, guys, let's open up the Boxy Charm by Ipsy. I'm surprised that there's another magazine in here, but yeah, it looks like some of us can get the Alicia Keys skincare line, which is so amazing. I've tried a whole lot of the Alicia Keys line and I love them. So Boxycharm by Ipsy, it's their second tier subscription box, which is around $25 a month. I'll have all the pricing in the description box below, and you get over $120 worth of products in the box, 5 full-size items. All right, let's see what we got. In and Beauty Project. Okay, this is a huge bottle. What is it? It's a gel cleanser. I wonder if this is K-Beauty. If it is, I'll put it up here. But nice huge bottles. Usually K-Beauty products, they have amazing packaging and nice bottle. I just love this kind of green tint. Plastic bottle, but still very nice size. I love that. Next item is the Malin and Goetz Recovery Treatment Oil. All right. We've gotten Malin and Goetz before, but I feel like I haven't tried them. I don't know. Oils are not my jam, but there's always a first time because my skin has been super dry lately. Next one, guys, is by Eloise Ultra Glow Lip Oil. All right. I am all for the lip oils. I love lip oils. Ooh, very nice. Bright red. All right, I'm gonna just try it because I love lip oils. It has like a, it has like a sweet fruity scent to it. Looks like this. It's pretty much clear. And then we got a Suit of Armor Eye Primer by Tease. Never heard of this brand before. I gotta say, I haven't been using eye primers only because they're amazing at making your eyeshadows last, but it hasn't been like a game changer for me as far as eyeshadows. So if I could use less, I prefer that. And then the last one is by Ace Beauty. Oh my gosh. This is a beauty. Okay, let's stare at this packaging for now. Beautiful. And it is the Mystique Romance eyeshadow palette. Huge eyeshadow palette. Oh, gorgeous. These are my kind of colors. Wow. Wait, here it is without the plastic film on top. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, guys. All right, so that is in the Boxycharm by Ipsy. What do you guys think so far? And remember, guys, I will have a giveaway at the end of this video. I've had monthly giveaways ever since I've partnered up with Ipsy. And so, yeah, I just want to share all these products to you guys, but I know that I can't get to all of them. Save the best for last. Here it is, the Icon Box. Okay. Oh, the Icon Box gets its own magazine, and the curator for this box is none other than Gwen Stefani. So Gwen Stefani has a makeup line which I've never tried before, so I'm so excited to get some things. Usually we get like one full-size item from the curator, but if we're lucky, there could be more. They're supposed to get 8 full-size items that is worth, I believe, $300 worth of products, if I'm not mistaken. But I will put it right here to be sure. I see some good stuff here, guys. Okay, Dr. Jart Ceramidin Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. Dr. Jart, it's a K-Beauty brand, and it's a moisturizing cream. Okay, let's see. Let's see what it looks like. I always get excited for packaging when it's K-Beauty. Next one is by Ren Beauty. Ren Beauty Glycolic Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask with AHA. It brightens and smooths the skin. So I've never seen a mask, a facial mask, in a pump before. After you've cleansed your face, you're supposed to put a thin layer of this mask on, let it set for a few minutes, and then you wipe it off with a warm cloth. So very interesting packaging for a facial mask. Next one, I'm gonna save the Gwen Stefani products for last. The next item is Gold Faded MD Supreme Serum. Lots of skincare in this box so far. Cute gold packaging right there. Looks like this is great for uneven skin tone and dull skin tone. So there's probably some exfoliating factors to this. Okay, we got the same brand from the Boxy Charm by Ipsy box in and Beauty project. And this time it's the Face Glaze Bronze Gel Cream. Ooh, a bronzer in a gel cream. Very nice. And this one's kind of light. It's by Maison Louise Marie. This is a perfume. And I've never heard of this brand before. But let's see. It smells promising. It has like a coconut scent, fruity scent to it, but not very strong. I'm actually liking it. Maison Louise Marie, number 13. I wonder how much this perfume costs because I've never heard of this brand before. I love the packaging. Look at that. It's like in there, standing inside the box. There's 2 Gwen Stefani items in here. The first one is her lipstick. Okay, this is her bullet lipstick. I love the packaging. This black and white packaging with the gold. It looks like it has that brown color, brown undertone, which I love. All right, we're gonna try it on. I have very little makeup on. I'm wearing my Merit concealer stick and I just pretty much use it as a no makeup look, a little bit under the eyes, just kind of perfecting dark spots on my face, and that's it. So let's try this. It has kind of like an orange brown undertone. Let's see, let's swatch it. There it is. I love how neutral it is. Very nice. It's perfect for my skin tone, not too deep, not too light. It also feels like it's buildable. So it doesn't come off as like, you know, just a very opaque color. You have to build it up, which I like. And then we also got the Gwen Stefani gel eyeliner pencil. Of course I'm gonna keep it. I'm all about the eyeliner. And luckily I don't have any eyeliner on right now, so we are gonna try it, and if I'm not mistaken, it's gonna be a blue eyeliner. Let's check it out. Here's the packaging. I love the color block packaging. Like you have the white and then the blue and then the gold. It's a blue one. Let's see what it, oops. It's super soft, but it's like a metallic blue. Let's see how it is. Seems like the formula is really soft, so I hope it doesn't break apart on my eyes. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. I love it. It just brightened my eyes. Guys, what do you think? All right, let's put a little bit on top. It's just super buttery smooth. I love how it glides on the eyes. So far, I am loving the formula. I'll perfect this later because I want to use one more thing in this box. Guys, we have the Dominic Cosmetics and it's the Essential palette. Ooh, if this is essential, then I guess I have to keep it. Dominique knows how to make her packaging super beautiful packaging. It feels heavy and it looks expensive. And look at the mirror, like it's frosted, well protected when you get it. It says beauty inside and out. I'm just curious about this one right here. Oh, it's like a purpley lilac color. I think I want that. I think it matches what I'm wearing too. And this one is more, this one is in the color Pretty Kind. Oh, And let's try this brownie one. It says Confident. Wow. Yep, see, Gwen Stefani's eyeliner isn't budging. And that's what we want. I'm just gonna do a simple eye look with this, just to kind of, it's kind of the browns. So I use Competition and True Self. There's no kick up. All right, I'm just gonna try this Affirmation color. Oh no, I'm gonna try Grateful right here. The purple one. I think this eyeshadow is going to need an eyeshadow primer. It's not as pigmented as I'd like it to be, but it's okay. I'm gonna use Pretty Kind and put it in my inner corner. I'm just gonna smoke the bottom lash line with True Self and Mi Amo, the kind of pinky brown and pink. One last thing, I may as well use all the colors. Just a little bit of this almost black looking eyeshadow. I think it's black. Let's see. Yep, it is black. I like how it mixed with the blue. I thought it was gonna be a big contrast, but it's not. It's not perfect, but I was just more into trying out the products that we got today. What do you guys think? Okay, so for today's giveaway, you will need to watch this video. It's going to tell you what you can win, how to enter. So be on the lookout for that video. It is coming soon, if not the day after this video goes live, maybe in 2 days, but it's gonna have all the products that you're gonna win. I just haven't decided yet because I've had so many items here. And so that is it, guys. What do you think? What do you guys think about the Ipsy Glam bags this month? Did you like it? Or was it not that exciting to you? So let me know. Let's talk all about it in the comments below. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.